All Mini produced after May 2019 will offer Mini connected services for 4 years from the in-service state. The services included on all Mini vehicles are Mini TeleService to help you schedule service appointments and Mini eAssist Call that is there to help in the event of an emergency. Let's delve a little bit deeper into these services. As soon as your Mini is in need of service, your vehicle's service-related data will be transmitted via Mini TeleService to your Mini dealer to help them arrange a convenient service visit for you and your Mini. This allows your Mini dealer to better prepare for your visit by pre-ordering any necessary parts for a more efficient visit and to help you and your Mini get back on the road quickly. Also starting with model year 2019, all Mini vehicles will be equipped with an SOS button located above the rear view mirror in the vehicle. Pressing this button transmits your location and vehicle information to the Mini Assist Response Center and connects the customer to an agent. They will then be able to contact local authorities such as the police or a hospital, as well as notify your emergency contacts about a potential situation, if those contacts were provided at the time of purchase. In the event of a severe accident, and if you are unable to make the call yourself, the vehicle will automatically trigger a notification to the Mini Assist Response Center. When a severe accident occurs, the vehicle's location and crash information are sent to the Response Center. The center is able to assess the likelihood of critical injury based on the information the vehicle sends and can then proactively contact local authorities about the situation, which means help will arrive much sooner. Included with the optional upgraded entertainment system, Remote Services allows you to access some of your vehicle's features and functions through the Mini Connected app. Forgot your keys, left your vehicle, and think you forgot to lock it? Now you can have peace of mind by remotely locking or unlocking your vehicle. Are you leaving a concert or a sporting event and trying to find your car at a huge parking lot? Be as forgetful as you want. You can also now sound the horn or flash the vehicle's lights through the app. If your Mini is ever stolen, call Mini Assist at 866-860-0060 immediately after filing a police report. Mini Assist can then help the police locate your vehicle. We've offered real-time traffic information in our vehicles for a while, but not as advanced as this. Now with an integrated SIM card, a much improved version of the system is offered, called Advanced Real-Time Traffic Information. Due to the cellular connectivity of the SIM, the traffic information will be updated much faster and with greater detail than ever before, making accuracy even better. Depending on the traffic situation, the system will even reroute you to hopefully avoid delays and get you to where you want to go even faster. Have you ever experienced a navigation system not aware of road changes and therefore navigating you in the wrong direction, or getting confused and rerouting you repeatedly? Previously, the only way to update the system was to have your dealership do it. Now these updates will come automatically and push directly to your vehicle several times per year, so that your Mini always has the most up-to-date information available.